If you need to turn your LibreOffice Impress slides into images, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export LibreOffice Impress as images, step by step, so you can save your slides as high-quality PNG or JPEG files. This is perfect if you want to share individual slides, upload visuals to a website, reuse presentation graphics, or create image-based content from your deck. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure to subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your presentation in LibreOffice Impress. Once your file is open and ready, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click File, and then choose Export. This opens the export window where you can set up how your slides will be saved. In the File dialog box that appears, choose the folder where you want your exported images to go. It's a good idea to pick an easy-to-find location like your desktop or a dedicated project folder, especially if you're exporting multiple slides. Now look for the Filter or Save as Type drop-down menu at the bottom of the window. This is where you choose the file format for your exported slides. Scroll through the options and select the image format you want, such as PNG or JPEG. PNG is usually a great choice if you want cleaner images, while JPEG can be useful if you want smaller file sizes. Next, give your file a base name. For example, you could type something like Presentation Slide. LibreOffice will use that name as the starting point when it creates the exported image files. Once that's done, click Save. After that, a second export dialog box will appear. This is an important step because it lets you decide exactly how the slides will be exported. Here you'll see the Scope option. If you want to export your entire presentation, choose All Slides. If you only want the currently selected slide, choose Selection instead. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you need one image or the full deck converted. You'll also see resolution settings, which are very important if you want sharp, professional-looking images. You can adjust the width or height in pixels to control the final quality. If you want crisp, high-definition results, try increasing the width to 1920 pixels or even 3840 pixels. Higher resolution gives you cleaner text and sharper visuals, which is especially useful if the images are going to be used online or in printed material. Once you've chosen the scope and adjusted the resolution to your liking, click OK to complete the export. LibreOffice will now generate your image files, and depending on how many slides you selected, you may end up with one image per slide saved in the folder you chose earlier. After the export finishes, you can open the destination folder and check your images to make sure everything looks right. And that's it. You've now learned how to export LibreOffice Impress as images quickly and easily. Whether you're saving one slide or an entire presentation, this method gives you a simple way to convert your work into image files without needing extra software. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.